We have given graph models the cost of renting an apartment. Write an equation over line, then find the cost of renting an apartment after 10 years. So to write equation, we will use formula slope-intercept form. Y is equal mx plus b, where m is slope and m has formula, let me write this here, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where y and x are coordinates of points. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, and we need b. b is y-intercept. First we will find the slope, so this is equal, y2 is 200 minus 1050 over x2 is 5 minus x1 is 0. So we have m is equal 150 over 5, so this is equal 30. We have slope, and we know that b is the y-intercept. So we see that our graph intercept y-axis at point 0, first coordinate, and the second is 1050. b is equal 1050. So our equation will be y is equal 30x plus 1050. I just substitute to slope-intercept form m and b. So we have our equation. We found our equation. Now we have to find the cost of renting apartment after 10 years. The x-axis tells us about years. It means we have to now substitute x by 10 because we need to find the cost of apartment after 10 years. So x is equal 10. So y is equal, now we have to substitute x by 10, so we have 30 times 10 plus 1050. So this is equal 300 plus 1050, so this is equal 1350. And the cost is given in dollars, so we have dollars. So apartment will cost $1,350 after 10 years. This is my solution.